In today's video, I'm going to teach you Project Timeline in Jira Cloud. The Jira Cloud Timeline is a built-in visual planning tool that works a lot like a simple Gantt chart. It helps you map out work inside a single project, schedule tasks over time, and track dependencies between related items. One of the biggest advantages is that it automatically reflects start and end dates, while also showing visual links between pieces of work that depend on each other. To get started, open your project and click Timeline. This is where you will see your work laid out on a calendar-style view, making it much easier to understand what's happening, when it's happening, and how different tasks connect. Timeline planning in Jira is centered around epics. These larger bodies of work form the backbone of the timeline and appear as colored bars across the schedule. Under each epic, you can nest child issues such as stories, tasks, and bugs. This structure makes it easy to organize work at both a high level and a detailed level, so you can plan strategically without losing visibility into the smaller items that move the project forward. Another key feature is dependency mapping. You can link tasks together so it's clear when one item relies on another being completed first. This is especially useful for spotting sequencing problems and identifying possible bottlenecks before they affect the schedule. If you need to adjust timing, Jira makes that very visual as well. You can drag and drop the edges of an issues bar directly on the calendar to extend or shorten its deadline. That means you can make quick updates without opening each issue individually, which is helpful when plans shift. You can also change the time frame of the timeline depending on the level of detail you want. Use days or weeks when you need more granular planning, or switch to months or quarters when you are preparing a broader view for stakeholders. In most projects, the timeline feature is already active by default. If you don't see it, go to Project or Space Settings in the left sidebar. Click Features and enable Timeline. Once it's turned on, return to the project and open the timeline again. To manage issues directly from this view, click Create Epic on the timeline to add a new epic. You can also hover over an existing epic and click the plus icon to create child issues underneath it. To place work accurately on the schedule, double-click any epic or child issue and set specific start and due dates. Finally, to link dependencies, click and drag from the top of one taskbar to another. This visually connects the work, shows the sequence, and helps highlight any risks in the plan. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.